When I found out that I won the selection for the award, I was quite shocked, a lot of disbelief. It was exciting, a little nervous, but yeah, it was a great thing to hear that you were valued for your accomplishments on what you do on your job every day. I'm most proud of basically the relationships that I've built with the students at Hart-Ransom. I was pretty humbled by some of the things that they said about me, because you don't think about yourself that way. One of the students that did do a letter about me was a student that had gone through some chemo treatments he had. So when he was on home on remission just a weekend, he was quarantined, and we went by and honked our horns and stood outside with signs. And so this is a student that I developed a relationship through kinder through 8th grade, and had a lot of nice things to say about me as well. And it was humbling, and it was kind of teary-eyed moments, so it's kind of nice to be acknowledged. And I appreciate, my supervisor Dwayne nominating me. I feel like here we are in this little old country town, and I got represented. So it was pretty exciting to represent, the school, the students, and my chapter.